Welcome to Nezo, where smart design meets data-driven decisions. Let's start with those Mac users. Head to the Downloads and Tutorials page. Select Archicad for Mac and enter your email. Then head to the Archicad directory shown here. Find your download and simply drag and drop it into the Archicad directory. Make sure you select the App Store and Identified Developers option within your privacy and security settings. For Windows, head to the Downloads and Tutorials page and select your version of Archicad. Enter your email and press Download. Once downloaded, find the directory of Archicad. This is normally in your program files, and then within the Graphisoft folder. Then head to the add-ons folder, and within that, the standard folder. Drag and drop your Nezo Archicad download in here. Be sure to turn on the Nezo add-on within Archicad. Head to Options, then select Add-on Manager. Double-check that the tick box for Nezo is selected. Now, let's import some Nezo materials. Select Nezo from the top ribbon. Once loaded, choose the Materials page. Let's add 2 lots of materials. First, the wall cladding. I've picked brick veneer. Hit Import. The second, a roof material. Again, I've selected Import. Now that your materials have been imported, head to the Options tab and select Element Attributes, then Composites. Find your wall composite and select an existing material. Simply swap it out for your newly imported Nezo wall material and select OK. It's the same process for roofs. Again, find the Composites tab. Then select the roof buildup you are using. Simply swap it out for the Nezo roof material and select OK. Now let's go ahead and sync those changes. Open up the Nezo app. Once you've created a building variant within the Projects page, there will be an option to link and sync to Archicad. See more on this within the Projects tutorial video. And there we have it. Your mapped materials have now been synced with Nezo. If you don't want to import all of the materials, no need to worry. You can map materials directly in Nezo. Here I will select the foundation beam, then click Map. Then choose the corresponding material from our library. When it comes to mapping, you can choose the way that best suits you. Now let's move on to columns and beams. First, head to the Materials page. Then let's import a glulam column. Once you've got your column selected, simply change the material in the top ribbon. You can also right-click the column and hit Selection Settings. Then proceed to the segment category on the left. And under Structure, we can choose a material here. Let's resync the model. Open up the app again and make your way to the Building Variant page. Press Sync from Archicad. And there you have it. The glulam column has now been synced. Moving on to windows and doors. You can't manually import and map windows and doors within Archicad. The only option is to map it within Nezo. Here I'll find a window in my detailed list, then select Map and choose a material from our library. If you wanted to map multiple windows at once within Nezo, head back to Archicad. Right-click the window and head to the selection settings. Make sure you keep the ID the same for the windows and doors you would like to map to one material. Nezo uses the ID to distinguish between different objects within Archicad. Let's head back to the app and find that same ID for the window within the detailed list. Once selected, click Map and find the best material for your window.